Hello, driving intelligence community. What we have here is a 2010 Ford Fusion, and the owner is complaining about poor air conditioning and heater performance. I've checked the refrigerant level in the vehicle, and that is in good shape. What we're having is intermittent trouble with the temperature adjusting from cold to hot. What this indicates to me is there's a Blend Door Actuator issue. I just tested it out with the engine running, and it doesn't get completely cold or completely hot, and the temperature is inconsistent when you're going from one range to the other. So I'm going to pull the Blend Door Actuator and see if I can determine if there's any restrictions or any problems. My understanding is that these things are prone to failure. This car is 10 years old, so it might be time for a replacement. Here's the Blend Door Actuator. I see two screws, one on each side. Actually, I see one, and there's another one on the other side, but apparently when I look at the part, the images of the part, there's 3 screws, so I'm going to have to find all 3 to remove this. I'm going to pull the electrical connection in a moment. Got the new Blend Door Actuator. Bought this online with discounts at a local parts store. Went to pick it up, so it's about 25 bucks. Pretty good price, Dorman product. I'll put a link below. But I did take apart the old one. I don't see any indication of any problem. It was operating as I showed in the video, but it seemed to be dragging and it was slow. So I felt it was a good investment to go ahead and just replace this instead of trying to clean this up and repair it. I could have cleaned up these tracks, these electrical tracks that give indication of the location of the Blend Door, but given this was only $25, what's the point? Put a brand new one in there. This one's got a lifetime warranty. I installed a new Blend Door Actuator and tested it. Didn't work. This is identical shape unit, but the problem is the one I took out had 5 pins. This one only has 2 pins. So it doesn't have the controllability that the original has. Now, when I ordered this part, I couldn't tell. I was looking to see if there was like multi-zone, and on the auto parts store that I was using, which is Advance Auto, I could not tell. And I bought in the picture would look like the identical unit. I even went to the Dorman site, and it said that this works on the 2010 Fusion. Since I'd already taken the other one apart, as shown previously in this video, I cleaned all the contacts up, retensioned the springs that touch down on the contact points, and I've reinstalled it to see if that will work. Obviously, I've got to return this one because it is absolutely not the right part. So just be cautious when you take your old part with you and make sure the pin count is correct. This one was not. After cleaning the contacts on this Blend Door separator, it was reinstalled in the Fusion, and I've tested it in every single individual position on the dial, and also from side to side, and the temperature sweep is perfect. I haven't noticed any problems with this. I'll let the owner drive it for a while and see if that corrected the problem, the intermittent problem with the temperature, and we'll go from there. Thanks for watching.